And this is Frank Allen's chemistry class at Davis High School, Part 2 of the Unit 1 exam review. Part 2 of the Unit 1 exam review. So in this case, this is a safety question. Which of the following statements is true? Damaged eyes can always be completely repaired. That's false. Sometimes they can, sometimes they can't. It's okay to chew gum and drink water while conducting the lab. Absolutely not. If you get something in your eye, you should first tell the teacher no. You should first flush it out. So none of these statements are true. So you'll have some questions just about general safety. Number 6 was a question about accuracy and precision. Precision is how close your measurements are to each other. I repeat, precision is how close your measurements are to each other. Accuracy is how close you are to the accepted value. So the question reads, you got a cell phone app telling you how far you are away from your chemistry class. You check it 3 times and it gives you the following: 20 miles, 19 miles, and 19.5 miles. So your chemistry app is telling you that you're 20 miles, and then you check it, it tells you it's 19 miles away from chemistry, and then it tells you 19.5 miles away from chemistry. Now these are precise. These are really close to each other, so they are precise. However, you are sitting in class when you check it. That means that you are not 20 miles away or 19 miles away or 19.5 miles away. You're in class when you check it, so it's not accurate. So it's precise, but it's not accurate. Correct answer is H. If you missed this one, it's probably because you didn't read and understand what you were reading. But again, precision is how close the measurements are to each other. These are precise. Accuracy is how close it is to the correct value. Number 7, this is a question about independent variables and dependent variables. Scientists want to determine how well a medication reduces blood pressure. Which statement is true? So we're determining how well a medication reduces blood pressure. So you ask yourself, does medication change blood pressure, or does blood pressure change medication? Medication changes blood pressure. So what you say first, not read. Medication is the independent variable. Blood pressure is the dependent variable. So the independent variable would be the medication. The dependent variable is the blood pressure. That's wrong. This is the correct answer, A. The independent variable is the blood pressure. That's wrong. One of the constants. A constant is a control, something you're going to keep the same every single time you run this experiment. So one constant might be you want to use the same arm, you want to use the same person, you want to use the same piece of equipment, and so on. Other questions. Which metric prefix is defined correctly? Kilo means 1,000, milli means 1/1000th, centi means 1/100th. Correct answer is H. Signs, you know the signs. Most of the students did well on that. Poison, bio, radiation, corrosive, or rust. In scientific notation, we're going to take our decimal, we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 6.5 times 10 to the negative 5th. This number is less than 1. Exponents that are less than 1 will have a negative exponent. Numbers that are less than 1 have a negative exponent. So the correct answer is F. Centimeters to meters, we went over metric conversions. 146 centimeters is going to be 1.46 meters. There's your decimal, 2 spots to the left. That one's just a basic safety question. Anytime you use chemicals, glassware, fire, you gotta have safety goggles on. Number 13, how to graph.